Ladies and gentlemen, parents and the students, as you know, government a few years ago invested in a company called Walesi. Walesi's job essentially is to take over or take all the TV stations that you see on FBC, on Fiji One, on My TV. There's a religious channel, there's an educational channel, and soon there'll be another channel to everywhere in Fiji. A few years back only, you could not get TV stations everywhere. Or if you got, for example, Fiji TV, you could not get FBC. Or if you got FBC, you could not get Fiji TV. So Walesi is all about building what we call a common platform through which all the different companies can actually provide you the services. The government has invested millions of dollars in this. So today, people in southern Lao and Rotuma, in the interior parts of Viti Levu, in Vanuatu, in Taveuni, places where there's no reception at all, they get to watch television. Of course, there's a special channel on Parliament also, which you can watch all the parliamentary channels. As part of the program, we also connect people. If you come from a family that earns less than $30,000 a year, we provide you with a set-top box for free. All you have to do is fill out the form, and you get the set-top box for free. You simply put up your aerial and you get connected to the TV. And you can watch all the channels for free. There are certain places where you don't have the set-top box, but you need a satellite dish. And those satellite dishes, they cost about $200 or so. And you can buy that. We have also put Walesi TV in schools and community centers or village halls for free. And your school, of course, today will also receive the Walesi connection, the set-top box and the TV screen for free. And of course this ball too, which we are going to give to you. So it's a proud moment. We have the chairman of Walesi here, Robert Khan, the CEO, Sanjay, is also here with us. And they are connecting people. After this, we are going to, right in the interior of Ba, where there is a particular village, they have no connection whatsoever, and we're setting up the Walesi there for them, in particular for the school. The children may not realize it, but some schools actually don't have internet connectivity, they don't have mobile phone connectivity, they don't have television connectivity, some of them don't even have pipe water, some of them don't even have electricity. So it's government's responsibility. We are connecting hundreds of communities, hundreds of schools, hundreds of villages throughout Fiji to water, electricity, communications, and making sure, for example, they have mobile phone connectivity. So today, that's what we're doing. Walesi has also said they'll be providing some snacks and drinks for the students this morning too. The reason I'm holding the rugby ball, of course, is you know that this will be donated to the school. For all those who play rugby, you can use this ball. But as you know, the Fijian Drua, many of you know that, the Fijian Drua has been representing Fiji in the Super League games, and the Fijian government has invested money in that so that the Drua players can play and Fiji can be represented in the league itself, and you'll be able to watch all those games on TV. There'll be very soon a new channel also launched, which you can watch on Walesi. We'll have all the government initiatives, etc., that we've been carrying out for the past number of years. You'll be able to see that. As we said, we also have an educational channel, and we have a church channel that's there too. One of the church groups has it. The parliamentary channel, 3 channels from FBC, 3 channels from Fiji One, and of course 1 channel from My TV. All of that you can watch on the My TV itself. So today we'll be handing over this to you, and we'll now just turn that on. Thank you. So you can see this is the first channel, that's the FBC channel. That's on channel 1. Then you have Fiji One, that's their channel. And then you have FBC Sports, which is another channel of FBC. Then you have My TV. Then you have channel 2, which is again of Fiji One's channel. And you have FBC 2. And then you have the Hope channel. So I missed out the parliamentary channel. This is parliamentary channel, the Hope channel, and these are the two channels that will soon be coming online. Thank you.